beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming. In today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about my TubeBuddy experience. Okay. TubeBuddy is a web extension that enables YouTube creators to optimize their videos, rank in search, and all that good stuff to help your YouTube video. Okay, so yeah, about a month ago, one of my videos blew up. Yay! Yes, if I say blew up, I don't mean 50k views or 100k views, but as a small YouTuber, I consider 2.9k views a blow up for my video. Okay, so yes, one of my videos blew up, and yeah, that's my relaxer day vlog video. Yes, that video blew up, and some people contacted me, came into my Instagram DMs, and were asking me how I did it. Fellow YouTubers, fellow small YouTubers. Okay, so I mean, I don't have any secrets, and let me say my secret is TubeBuddy. So today I'm going to show you how I was able to use TubeBuddy to my advantage. Okay, so let's get right into the video. So if you look here, you realize that in my analytics it says this video has 2,918 views since it was published. Okay, so you realize that my watch time in hours too is 108.6 watch hours more than usual. It means that usually my videos don't really give me that much watch time, but this has given me a lot of watch time, and my views are 2.9k right now, and that is 2.4k more than usual. 2.4k more than usual, and that's like so much for my video, right? Because the typical performance for my video is between 400 and 560 views. So I mean, that's a plus for my video. So yeah, let's go down here and see in the last 24 hours. Okay, sorry, in the last 48 hours, it says that my top traffic sources, that's where my views are coming from the most, is YouTube search, then YouTube browse features, then direct or unknown, channel pages, suggested videos, etc. So YouTube search is, I mean, when people search for your video. Browse features is when YouTube recommends your video and all that good stuff. And yeah, so coming down, it shows you your audience retention and all that, shows you the reach. Okay, that's how many people YouTube have suggested your videos to so far. And yeah, so in total, browse features and then suggested videos, playlists, all that good stuff. Now let's move into TubeBuddy proper. Okay, so you come here, it says TubeBuddy tools. So now you see copy, apply template, end screen, all that. Video SEO. SEO is search engine optimization. Okay, so let's go into details. So what does TubeBuddy do for me? TubeBuddy shows me the best practices. Okay, best practices that will give you views. Okay, that's what it basically is. Best practices that will give you views. So if you look here, the internet is a bit slow, but let's see how I'm going to do this. Okay, so tags. Okay, tags help your video. When you put tags on your videos, people search for anything, and then if the tag is in your video, YouTube will recommend it, because I mean, that's what your video is about. Okay, so from here you can realize that 1, 2, 3, 4 of my videos are ranking in search. Okay, it means that if you search for Relaxer Day 2020, my video is the 7th video you are going to see. If you search for Relaxer Day hair vlog, my video is the 5th video you are going to see. If you search for Relaxer Day vlog, my video is the 7th, and if you search for long and healthy relaxed hair, my video is the 23rd video you are going to see. And that's, I mean, that's good, because if my video is ranking in search, then it means that when somebody type something in their search button, my videos will appear, and there's a high possibility of them clicking on my video if my thumbnail is good. Okay, so that is it for that. And then one thing that I love about TubeBuddy is that they recommend tags to you. Okay, tags that are related to your videos, tags that they think if you use are going to make your videos rank in search. So if you look here, you realize that healthy hair, natural hair, relaxer updates, all these are tags that can be used. The ones with the red underlining are not really good ranking tags. It means people are not really searching for those ones, but the ones with yellow and green, it means that that video is doing quite well. Okay, so let's move up and see which other tag is ranking. Relaxer hair update. Okay, I can use that because my video is a relaxer day vlog, so I can add it to my tags. Let's go and see what's happening. Okay, I've added it to my tags. That tag is really not ranking, so I don't know, I think I'll just remove one tag, then yeah, we are good to go. So that is it for how TubeBuddy uses tags to help you rank in search. I'm going to go into the video SEO studio. Okay, SEO studio, and then we are going to see. So it says build the perfect searchable title, description and tags for your video. So I'm coming to type my target keyword, and here my target keyword is relaxer day hair vlog 2020. Okay, cutting, split, and yeah, cutting, split, and healthy relaxed hair. So now start. So looking at my video, my SEO score is 89%. Okay, that's my search engine optimization score is 89%. So let's see, let's go through. It says that how to improve your score. So include your target keyword in the title, include 80% of your target keyword in the title, include your target keyword in the first 60 characters of the title. So it means that my target keyword is not in the first 60 characters of my title. That's why they are telling me this. Okay, that's why I see this mark over here. Okay, but include your target keyword naturally in the title, and all that is there. Okay, all that is there. So that's good for the channel. Let's move on to this. Says for title and description. So let's move on to tags. So it says include your exact target keyword as the first tag, and if you look at the keyword that I entered, it is not the exact thing in the first tag. Okay, so let me add it. Okay, so I've added it. So adding it takes my SEO score to 94%. Adding it takes my SEO score to 94%. So now let's move on to the thumbnail. It says that use bright colors and high contrast images, include a close-up of a human face, ensure the text is larger enough, and all that. And my thumbnail is great. It's great for my video. Okay, it's great for my video. So that's it. Then you now move on to apply to video. So then you can choose to apply to video or save to draft. If you plan to come back and work on this optimization later, save it in a draft and it will be here when you return for this video. But I'm already done, so I'll just apply it to video, and then that will be it. After I did that, you realize that now this first tag is the number one thing when someone searches for this keyword. Okay, so you save it, and then that is the end. One thing that TubeBuddy also does is that you can do a keyword search way before you upload your video, way before you even do your videos. I'm someone that plans my videos a lot. I have a book, where is it? It's lying somewhere there, but I have a book that I write all my YouTube video ideas inside, my title, everything, so that way before I even film the video, I search for the title, check if my title is going to do great, and then yeah, so let me take you right into that one as well. So let's come to this TubeBuddy extension over here, and then let's go to Keyword Explorer. So it says enter keyword and click explore. Okay, so my keyword is top 4 ways to treat dry hair. So explore. So this shows me that my score is 100%. So it means that when I put that video up, the possibility that people are going to watch this video is high. Okay, the search volume for this is excellent, 100%. The competition is good, and so the optimization totally is excellent. That's how come I am getting 100%. Okay, and then for this, I'm going to be a little bit vulnerable here and show you the weighted score that is pertaining to my channel. Okay, so let's see the weighted score. Okay, the weighted score is 41/100. I mean, that's fine, that's good for me, even because my channel is not a big channel, so I'm not expecting like high results. Okay, but 41% is good for me. So it means that when I do this video, the possibility that my video is going to go out there is high, because the unweighted says that the search volume is excellent. It means people are looking for ways and means to treat their dry hair. Okay, so that is it for me. And then it shows you common video tags as well. Okay, so it shows you the tags: dry hair, natural hair, damaged hair. It shows you the tags, and you can copy the tags. All right, you can copy the tags and then use it in your tags as well. So instead of going to type the tags one by one, you just copy the related tags, and then that is it. Okay, so you can also go to results and see the videos that are there. You can see that this video has 136k views. You can see this one has 271 views. So I mean, that's quite impressive. So let's look at trending. That video is really not trending. That topic is really not trending. I'm still going to take the risk and do it because my keyword score says 100%. Okay, so I'm still going to take that up and then do it. Okay, so what do I love about TubeBuddy? I love the keyword explorer feature of TubeBuddy. I like the SEO studio part of TubeBuddy. Those two are the best features of TubeBuddy that I like. And TubeBuddy is not free. Okay, it's free but not free. For the free version you get limited features, and then for the paid version you get extra features. But for the free version, I mean, if you are a small YouTuber and you are starting, there are enough features in the free version for you to use to make your channel grow. But as you are growing, you have to buy the paid version and enjoy the benefits. Okay, so yeah, that is it for TubeBuddy. I love TubeBuddy so much, and I have the TubeBuddy app on my phone as well. So anytime I'm on the go, I just enter my TubeBuddy app. It shows you the number of subscribers that you have, how you are growing. Each time you hit a milestone, TubeBuddy sends you this beautiful picture of how far your channel has grown and all that good stuff. So as a small YouTuber, you are not getting views and then you think that people are not watching your videos. check your tags, check your title, check your SEO studio. Maybe you are not doing things that is making YouTube suggest your videos. So please do all that with TubeBuddy, and trust me, you are going to see great results. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, it's bye.